friends, Tani here, and you're watching Tani's Tech Art session. So today what we are going to do is we are going to make texture paint. Now first question that comes, what is texture paint and where do we use it? So just hold on. Of course you can use it in various different art projects, craft projects, even on the wall, wall designs and everything. So for that, if you want to buy a texture paint, it's costlier, of course. So I thought, why not make a small video on that, and I will be showing you a detailed video how to use it tomorrow in a DIY session. But today let's see how it's made. So there are only basic 3 ingredients that we need. First, powder, any powder, adhesive, any PVA glue, so I took Fevicol, and some white acrylic paint. Now let me tell you how much quantity we are going to use. 1 cup full powder, put in the mixing bowl. 1/4 cup of glue, and we have 1/2 cup of the acrylic paint, white acrylic paint. This gives a very beautiful effect in your pictures and on your canvas, on the walls, and even on the journals that you want to make, maybe journal covers. Just mix it well. So here is the texture that we have made. Now, into the Google, if you keep it in an airtight container, then it will stay for 9 to 10 months without drying up. So I'm going to show you just a small glimpse of what this texture paint can do. So friends, I just got the paint inside. Now I just wanted to show you what it can do, what wonders it can do. So just as you can see, I have a black sheet, any black chart paper or a cardboard. I just wanted to show you what it does, and a lotus border pencil. So I'll just show you how it works. I just keep it in the middle. It's just hold it firm, and I just use this it's best if you just tape it on the 4 sides, then the picture won't be moving here and there. Palette knife, and I'm just dipping it in the texture that I just created, and I'm just pulling it down. Tomorrow I'm going to show you some very beautiful art forms that we can do with this. These are also used on walls. Take it up. Ta-da! How pretty! Isn't it pretty? That is what I'm going to show you tomorrow, how in different forms we can use this. You can just see it has a 2D effect. This is my second day 100-day challenge and I hope you liked it. So please do subscribe my channel. It's free of cost. Just click the button and it's done. So for now, bye bye. Stay tuned.